Cole from Berg Peaks here. Behind me I have a 2013 Cayenne diesel that we just installed our Berg Peaks transmission cooler on. We installed this on this car because we're running larger tires and this car doesn't have a low range transfer case. So when we have larger wheels and tires, or if we're towing, we can sometimes raise the fluid temperatures over the threshold that the computer likes, and it can throw it into limp mode and make the car functions limited when shifting. So we don't want that when we're towing or on the trails. So we developed this kit behind us, and it fits on the 958.1 and 958.2 chassis. It also works with cars with adaptive cruise control that have a sensor right in this location, and it works with cars with active shutters. We've designed this to fit mounting using factory mounting points that come from the factory. So I'll take a second and show you some mounting points that we've designed our bracket to fit. It's a stainless steel bracket that mounts on some points that are already here on the radiator from the factory. We use OEM hardware. This bracket's fully adjustable. We use a set trap trans cooler, and then we plumb it back into the return line using our proprietary compression fittings that we've designed. This is after the thermostat, so it's thermostatically regulated, so it's not going to affect the performance of the transmission. The transmission cooler gives us a larger surface area to cool, and it also increases our fluid capacity, so we have more fluid to cool down. So if this is installed, we're not running into issues overheating, and we're keeping the transmission fluid temperatures happy. So awesome product that we've developed. We've put these on a bunch of cars and had no issues with overheating after that. So grab your transmission cooler at bergpeaks.com. If you have any questions, shoot us an email at orders@bergpeaks.com. Thanks. Have a great day.